All right, here we go, guys. Butter pasta. Hey, everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today's lunch, butter pasta. I'm going to use this DeLallo organic spaghetti. I've never used this pasta before, so I'm really excited to use this pasta for the first time. I'm going to use Kerrygold butter as the base, and then to spice it up, we're going to use the Kerrygold garlic and herb butter, which is my favorite butter in the world. We're going to use some sprinkle some pepper on it, and stay till the end of the video. I'm going to show you a kicker that not everybody likes, but if you like it, you're going to love it. If you don't like it, just skip it. All right, butter pasta for lunch. Let's go. This is why I like Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. Look how beautiful that looks. Look how beautiful this butter is. It gives you so much more flavor. All right, step number one, butter. Just gonna melt it in the like medium to low heat. I don't want to high heat this and burn the butter. Just like a nice low heat, slowly burn the butter. Then I'm going to add garlic and herb butter. Mix that up real good. Melt the butter. Now I'm going to add the pasta. Parmesan cheese. Just mix everything. Keep mixing everything. Keep mixing it. Mix it. Mix it. And you can skip this step if you don't like it. I highly recommend it. Feta cheese. Add some feta cheese to it, and then mix it into the pasta. It's delicious, trust me. Now, before I put the pasta back into the plate, I got some, I cracked some black pepper in on the bottom of the plate already. And I'm gonna add some pepper to the pasta and mix it. Here's that pepper in the pasta. Now I'm just gonna mix it up. Beautiful. Quick lunch, butter pasta. Looks good, smells good. Let's taste it. All right, here we go. The first bite, butter pasta. Looks good, smells good. Excellent. I'm telling you, what makes this is feta cheese. Feta cheese makes this dish. Great fast lunch. All you need is pasta, butter, whatever cheese you have at home. There you go. Lunch is served. 10 out of 10. Nothing else to say. See you guys in the next video. Bye.